Hi, this is Rajiv here, and welcome to my channel Jobs in Goa. Electric Cat's restaurant at Kalangud is looking for utility boys and assistant cook. Call on the above employee's direct number for interviews. This video is sponsored by Mumbai Tattoo. They deal in all professional tattoo machines and other products. They are located at the Mumbai Marine Lines. Subscribe to my channel because YouTube may show you my video thumbnails 10 or 15 times. But if you don't subscribe, they will stop showing you my thumbnails. As YouTube assumes you are not interested in my channel. So, in future, when you are in need to view my channel, you will not find the link.